Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we are going to see the eligibility condition to participating Rajasthan State Quota Counselling. Let's see the criteria one by one. Before moving to this video, I request you to subscribe our channel to get the current counselling updates. Category 1. The candidate's natural father or mother must have lived in Rajasthan state for last 10 years and the candidate must have studied for at least 5 years in Rajasthan state educational institutions. Category 2. Bonafide residents of Rajasthan, which means the person is physically domiciled within the state but studied outside the state. Category 3. The candidate's father or mother currently serving or retired as employee of Government of Rajasthan. Officer of All Indian Service born on Rajasthan State Cadres who served in the state government more than 3 years. Category 4. The candidate's father or mother currently serving or retired or permanent employee of government undertaking firms such as corporations, improvement trust, municipal bodies, council, Panchayat Samiti, Co-operative Bodies duly constituted by the Government of Rajasthan, and they should be in service for at least 3 years on the last date of submission of the online application form for the current admission year. Category 5. The candidate's father or mother currently serving or retired or permanent employee of any one of the state universities or Rajasthan State Secondary Board of Education, provided that the employee worked in Rajasthan State for 3 years on the last date of submission of the online application form for the current admission year. Category 6. The candidate's father or mother currently serving or retired or permanent employee of Indian Defence and the employee is origin of Rajasthan State irrespective of his place where they posted, provided that the defence personnel needs to submit a certificate taken from their employer stating that he or she is an origin of Rajasthan State when they were entered into service. Candidates who fall under this category shall be admitted as per the priority cum merit of current year admission in Rajasthan State MBBS as per the criteria. Category 7. The candidate's father or mother serving as a permanent employee of Indian Defence Service and they were posted in Rajasthan State at the time of last date of submission of the online application form for the current admission year. Category 8. The candidate's father or mother currently serving or retired employee of Indian paramilitary forces whose origin is Rajasthan irrespective of place where they posted, provided that the military personnel needs to submit a certificate taken from their employer stating that he or she is an origin of Rajasthan State when they were entered into service. Category 9. The candidate's father or mother currently serving as an employee of Indian paramilitary forces and they were posted in Rajasthan State at the time of last date of submission of the online application form for the current admission year. Category 10. The candidate's father or mother served as judge of Rajasthan State High Court and they need to submit an affidavit stating that such benefit is not being claimed or availed by them in any other state. Note, if the candidate is falling in above class from 1 to 10, they are eligible for all type of seats in Rajasthan State Counselling. Next, Category 11. If the candidate selecting the class 11 as other, they are eligible to participate for the state counselling and they will be considered for the allotment against the vacant seats after exhausting the state merit list during or after round 2. MBBSCouncil app provides All India Quota, State Quota, Management Quota, Open Quota, NRI Quota cutoff for more than 20 plus states and college details that include important factors to choose a best medical college such as number of MBBS seats, PG courses, tuition fees, hostel fees and other charges, etc. We provide personalized counselling guidance for parents and students who are looking MBBS, MD, MS admission, especially in Rajasthan State. To clarify all your counselling related doubts and to get more information about the personalized counselling, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBSCouncil app. Your assigned counselor waits for you on the other side. Download MBBS Council app now. Installation link is given in the description below. If you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.